Hello YouTube, welcome to channel Seal Car 212. With the 2018 Volkswagen Tiguan, it looks like the German automaker is finally ready to offer a small crossover SUV that many Americans will want. Though entertaining to drive, the previous generation Tiguan fell short of the competition because of its small cargo space, mediocre fuel economy and, more recently, a lack of now common driver safety aids such as blind spot monitoring and forward collision warning. The Tiguan's premium price didn't help its case either. For 2018, however, the Tiguan is thoroughly overhauled. It rides atop a new platform that underpins Volkswagen models ranging from the compact Golf hatchback to the new three-row Atlas SUV. This Tiguan even shares its new muscular shape and style with the Atlas. It's also 10 inches longer than its predecessor, which VW uses for more cargo space, more legroom, and an optional third-row seat that's small but handy if you need to cart around a couple of extra kids. Some of the Tiguan's traditional strengths carry over, including a quiet and comfortable ride, top-notch cabin materials, and a user-friendly tech interface that's now even easier and quicker to use. These upscale touches no longer exact a price premium either. Overall, we think the new Tiguan is worth a look alongside other roomy small crossovers such as the Chevrolet Equinox, Honda CR-V and Nissan Rogue. Notably, we picked the 2018 Volkswagen Tiguan as one of Edmund's best small SUVs for this year. What's new? The Volkswagen Tiguan is fully redesigned for 2018. Compared to its predecessor, it offers more legroom, more cargo space and a standard third row. Trim levels and features. The 2018 Volkswagen Tiguan comes in 4 trims: S, SE, Cell and Cell Premium. The base S offers conveniences such as heated mirrors, roof rails and a rear-view camera, while SE upgrades include faux leather upholstery and heated front seats. The Cell adds a panoramic sunroof and power liftgate, and the Cell Premium lays it on with LED headlights, premium sound system and a comprehensive package of driver safety systems. Comfort. A quiet, comfortable ride remains one of the Tiguan's strengths. The front seats should be comfortable on long drives. Interior. The classy interior that looks and feels solid and well built, another traditional Tiguan strength, remains intact. Design and parts influenced by, and perhaps borrowed from, the Atlas SUV give the Tiguan a much-needed style update. Utility. The Tiguan's ultimate utility depends on whether you opt for a third-row seat. The three-row Tiguan offers less cargo space overall, but it still measures up well to the rest of the field. The standard roof rails give a head start for outdoor adventure seekers and their gear. Technology. The 2018 Tiguan comes with VW's latest infotainment and safety systems. Overall, it's an appealing mix of features,